Alright, greenery added. I'm calling that finished. And put a snake in the water. Alright. I did some more work on that. It's more a matter of just putting in some random bits to round that out, but that is a finished waterfall for the Bricksburg Canyon Tunnel. Let's put a regular car in here. Let's get this out of the way. Let's drive this guy through here. And then back around. Right side. Alright. That is finished. There's your plant. Got your vines, your palms, your leaves, a flower. Alright. Thanks for watching.